Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Do not go. Do not move. With the hands on top of your head. Yes, sir. Turn around slowly. Do not move. Do not go on your knees. Stand up straight. Do not move. Yes, sir. Interlock your fingers. Stand up straight. I got him. Get the other way out of here. Hey, got me.
Don't step to your right.
Keep your hands on top of your head. Okay, do me a favor, wait outside.
You'll see that they make contact with him. He initially complies. And then he'll quickly reach into his waistband, lifting his shirt to pull out his firearm as he turns towards the officers. This is a slowed down version of that fisheye camera. That's the firearm that he was reaching for.